What's happening, my people? So it's your boy ChanceJolivette, aka Smooth, back with another video. So today we're gonna be on the styling tip. So these shoes dropped the other week, and they're very hyped. Like the resale price is pretty steep for them. It's very shockingly. I honestly thought these might have been some bricks or something. I don't know how they are doing. With the resale price, I'm sure they're not sitting a lot of places, because if they sit reselling for 300. Like, even if people don't like the shoe, they still gonna get them because they're gonna try to make that flip. They're gonna try and make that cheddar cheese. So, today what we're gonna be talking about is how to style these things right there. It's a very simple shoe, but it's a Jordan 4 silhouette. So Jordan 4 is always gonna be fly. It's always gonna be sought after. You always gonna be a certain level of fly with the 4s and stuff. And the 4s has a very casual look to it and stuff, more so than a hooping shoe. So it's very much something you can rock with jeans, rock off the court, or whatever. Like all the old Jordans really look off the court-ish. Like the new ones is straight for the court. But anyways, so what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna talk about a few looks I like, what I dislike, blase blase. We're gonna see what these looks are, and I'm gonna pick my favorite one at the end. So let's see how this goes. So start off. This first look right here, it has a classic look, like the all black Chicago Bulls shirt, but it has a little twist because like the pants are more like a new age streetwear type brand. They got like the tassels or whatever you want to call them, the shit that's hanging on the legs or whatever. So the straps. So they got that, but just plainness to it. So it's a classic look. It's not nothing too crazy, but it's something that's always gonna hit. Something that's dope. So it's an easy go-to. So that's my thoughts of the first look right here. Let's get to the second one. So this right here is the hypermodel Melissa Hill or something like that. So big YouTuber doing her thing. And this one right here, I do have a few looks from her. This right here is the one I dislike the most. Like, I'm not necessarily a fan of them jeans. It look like more like a vintage type look to the jeans. That bottom is real loose and stuff. Got the puffy jacket, the jacket with the hoodie underneath and the light denim or something. Like it's alright, but it's like her other looks are so much better. Like I'm gonna show you ahead in the video. So this one right here is like, not crazy about this one. This one right here, very casual look. I don't like this. Like I don't think this is like fashion purpose or something. He probably just threw something on, and but if he trying to like look fly in this, like that's not it, buddy. That's not it. Like the Nike like or bull shorts or whatever, and the olive green hoodie and stuff, and just the way this put together, like nah, unless you about to give somebody some buckets or something like this. Nah, I'm good on that one right there, player. Look number 4. This right here is very casual look, man. Like got the high shorts, t-shirt. This isn't anything special. Got the Atlanta hat. That's the only thing. I'm not crazy about it, just cause that dab of yellow, like maybe a Bulls hat would look better or something. Just cause it doesn't have that yellow, but it's something you can go to. You can do it. Like the yellow isn't a killer or anything. Like you can do it. But that's probably the only thing I don't like as far as this look. But it's just. This is plain. I just was going through looks that I found. This isn't nothing super incredible or something, but it's not bad. Going through the next one. This right here, Jay the Sneaker Guy. I'm pretty sure y'all know him online. Brother is growing up on the YouTube or something. Like he doing his damn thing. This look right here, the camo. Got the plaid. I like that the green hat. That's what sets it off right there. Cause I put this look together a bunch of times on the channel, probably on these style videos or something. But I like the differential of him going with the green hat rather than like a red hat or a black one or something. It just give it that little extra dab of color. Like I really like this look right here. This look dope. We go back. This is Marissa again. This right here is, I like this. It's something crazy. It's something like kind of weird. It looked like this would be like a Jordan, like all together jumper. It looked like a mechanic outfit or something, but like fly. Like I haven't never seen this before, but I like that. I like that. I don't know if in a dude terms or something, I don't know if this would be considered a romper. But I like this, man. This is dope, especially the color palettes and stuff. And I just haven't seen that before. Like I would try to rock that. I would try to rock that and put that together, man. Like I don't know where to get that. It's probably expensive as hell, but it's just something different. That's something different right there. So the next one right here, I love this look as well. It's the camo. Like in the shirt, it has a lot of big splashes of color or something. Like I talked about homeboy with that dab of yellow. I didn't necessarily like it. Like this right here, I don't know why I think like this. I love this as far as like, especially the shirt and stuff and the camo. I love it as far as like on a woman. If a dude had the same fit on with the shirt and stuff, I don't know. I don't think I would like it as much. I don't know why, but that's just my thoughts. But maybe if somebody had it on, I would think different. But that's just like me thinking, and not seeing it on a dude or whatever, just seeing it on her. I just think it would look better on a woman or whatever, like that splash of color or whatever. But that's just my personal opinion. But I like this look on her, like dope one. Next one right here, very plain look, but it's dope, especially the winter time, man. It's cold, even in the boot right now. You see, I'm sherped up, got my Levi sherpa, got my beanie on and stuff, but all black. Got the black look like kind of windsuit kind of vibe with the pants, kind of puffer jacket or whatever, just regular black jacket, little shirt underneath. This is something that I see him pulling up. So is it a hood underneath, or does the jacket have a hood? I don't know, but I like this look right here, man. It's just something simple, man. Next one right here, this is like a young type of look right here. Like the color palette on it, that dab of white and stuff, it's not bad. Like the look as far as together, like super tight ass pants, and it looked like Michael Jackson's. Like yeah, you got some Jackson vibes. Like this isn't it's something that I think the young people loved it. Like my little cousin, like I see him on the gram all the time, and like he dressed like that. People love it and stuff. They be he's a tastemaker in Baton Rouge or whatever. Like I don't know, he probably don't watch my videos, but if he watch, what up, Cam? Like he dressed like that. Like I'm not necessarily a fan of it. Look like a nigga about to catch a UTI or something with them jeans and all that. But yeah, I like the colors, but the fit and stuff, I'm not. So it's kind of I like it, and I don't like it at the same time. Like, and this next one right here. So this is Marissa Hill again. Marissa. And I like this right here. She could have just did the sweatpants and the hoodie, and then we did all green vibes. That would have been cool. But what I really like with this is her throwing that dab of color, that red jacket on the top of it. I really like that. It's just a little extra thing, and it brings the look over the top to me. So it makes the look that much better. So I've talked about a bunch of looks and stuff. So now I'm gonna pick my. Usually at the end of these videos, I'll show my looks or whatever, but I don't have this shoe. But y'all said that y'all like this format better, so that's why I'm doing this format. I did review the shoe, and everybody like, "Oh, you lucky you got the shoe, you got the shoe, you got the shoe." I said in the video, this was by the way of my homeboy. Like that was my homeboy's shoe. Like it wasn't mine. So I'm not lucky, but I didn't want them shoes anyway. Like, they cool, but I'm not crazy about them. But anyways, so I'm gonna show my winner who styled these the best. So drum roll. the GOAT. The GOAT. He styled these the best. You see that black. You see them bad jeans. Fly. Y'all can't pull that off. Only the OG, the God, can pull that off. That's the dopest look. I'm bullshitting right there. I'm bullshitting. But I had to show the GOAT. Hey, you rocking him, But my favorite look was Jay the Sneaker Guy, man. Jay the Sneaker Guy with the plaid and the camo and stuff. That's my favorite look. So there you go. And why should you listen to me on the How to Style video? Bitch, cause I'm fly. I think I'm fly. Maybe I'm not. But I try. But I like my little fashion stuff, man. Like it's something I enjoy. So I do these videos. A lot of people don't do these. So I try. So win for losing, I don't know. But like, comment, subscribe. Don't be the greatest and the most hated man. Holla at your boy.